Hey there, I'm estate planning attorney Paul Rabelais, and if you're a wealth manager with a holistic, hands-on approach to wealth management, then you may want to explore our national estate planning law firm, which is designed to enable you to grow your wealth management practice through estate planning. Your wealth management clients will value your hands-on approach of how estate planning interacts with wealth management. Here's our 6-step process for safeguarding both your business and your client's family's financial security. Number 1, meet AEPL. Request an introductory Zoom call with an attorney from the national estate planning law firm, America's Estate Planning Lawyers, also known as AEPL, to discuss the win-win-win merits of an alliance between your practice and AEPL. Number 2, talk to clients. Speak with clients to show you care about their family's future success. Ask, is your estate in order? Or would you like me to guide you through working with an estate planning law firm to help you accomplish your estate planning goals? Number 3, schedule. Use the AEPL provided calendar link to schedule your client's estate planning design meeting where you'll be present with your client and the AEPL attorney. Number 4, design. Be present in the attorney-led, layman's terms estate planning design meeting where you'll gain a fuller sense of your client's concerns and your emotional relationship with your client will be cemented. Number 5, implement. Provide first-class service to your client by working with AEPL and your client to coordinate asset ownership and designate beneficiaries consistent with the estate planning goals. And number 6, repeat. Improve client relationships, generate additional revenue by consolidating assets not yet under management, and take advantage of multiple product placement opportunities and increase asset retention as assets transition to the next generation. To get started, click the link in the post.